super excited. It's a week before we leave, but I'm getting some stuff organized, like our toiletries, taking all the tags off of the stuff that I bought. There are a lot of clothes that we won't wear between now and then, like our fancy clothes, and I'm going to put in here, even though the day after tomorrow is Easter. We won't wear fancy clothes then either. But so we can kind of get going. It smells great, by the way. Just opening some of these. Good times. It is now 2 days until we travel. And I know some people have packing lists, but I just made sticky notes and have an outfit for every day based on what we're going to be doing. And then, so I have all my outfits for me. And now I just have to do the same thing for my husband and my child. I also have my bathing suits, my one pair of long pants in case I want to go ice skating, and a couple things to sleep in. With my son's help, I have finished. Have all of our clothes. And then basically we'll just throw every pair of underwear we have in our bags. So, and then I'm starting to fill this the rest of the way up. This is pretty much everything I can do until the morning we leave. And then my son unpacked all of my hair stuff and earrings because he likes to play with them. I have our toiletries pretty organized. We're ready. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
In my all-important trip Bible, I went to the bank and got cash. And it's a lot, and I hate having that much cash, so I put it in envelopes. Like, that's what we'll need for the taxi in Cozumel. This is what we'll need to buy inhalers at the Mexican pharmacy. That's for lunch in Roatan and the mangrove tour. So this way we can only take ashore what we need and then leave everything else in the safe at the room. We got this pill dispenser at the Dollar Tree, and rather than use it for each day, we've labeled it with just a few pieces of medication we may need, Aleve or aspirin or ibuprofen, allergy medicine, allopurinol for my husband's gout, and then some Rolaids. So rather than trying to take a whole bunch of bottles or buy travel bottles, we have anything we're most likely to require. Just got home from Walmart. I went and got a whole bunch of food for my house sitter to have easy food to eat. And, of course, toilet paper, because we would hate for our house sitter to run out of toilet paper while we're gone. This is it. Our two main bags and our hanging bag. And we have some entertainment for the child. And all we have tomorrow is our carry-on with our toiletries in it, and then an overnight bag that we'll use at our hotel. And we're ready to go. The next time that you see us, we'll be on the road.